Hello, everyone. It's Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards, and I wanted to let you know about my club for August, Rustic Ink Creations, which is a subscription club, and we are using Perfectly Pears Bundle. So the stamp set and the dies. You will need the dies, and of course, you can add on this bundle and I will pay for the tax and the shipping. So there is an add-on when you register if you do not have this bundle. Let me tell you a little bit about my club, and I will give you a sneak peek of the cards this month. Plus, I will show you a prior month club so you get an idea of what my club is like. All right. So again, it is a subscription. We always give you make and takes to make 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. And some months we make more than 6 cards. Last month in July, we made 8 cards. But this month for August, we are making 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. And you'll have the cardstock prepped for you, and you also will receive between $23 and $25 of product that you will be using to make the cards, plus have extra to use on other cards. All right, well, this month, our main colors that we're using is Mossy Meadow and Black Ink. Although we do have a fun fold, and one of the cards will be a fun fold. And on the fun fold, we are using several colors, but you wouldn't have to use quite this many. So we're using Strawberry Slush, Granny Apple Green, Lemon Lolly, and uh, Lemon Lime Twist. So, but again, don't worry if you don't have all those colors, you can use whatever you have. All right. The cost is $44 a month, and it is a subscription, but you can always cancel, and you can give it a try for 1 month. Let me show you the cards. I'll tell you, I just love this bundle and the paper. They make the cards, designing the cards so easy. So here is our first card. And again, you will make 2 of those. And then we have, I guess we have 2 fun folds kind of this month. And then the last card, it lies flat, but it's an easel card. So it's an easel fun fold. So, and it just raises up like this, and you can set that on your table. And so those are the 6 cards. If you already are a member of my club, and I hope that you didn't look if you wanted to be surprised, right? All right, so let me show you a example of my club from a previous month. So your club comes in a bag like this. I always send I send 12 by 12 paper, unless you're just getting a quarter package or something, then it's going to be a 6 by 12, unless of course the paper is 6 by 6 already, then I'll send what it is. So I know there's kind of a glare, so let me just kind of open that and show you. So here are the make and takes, and this is again a prior month. So I have them packaged up, and they are labeled for you. I guess I should have had them open, right? Make it easier. But you just take them out, and then they are individually. So you have 2 cards, and they are labeled. So, along with a picture to make it easier to match with your written tutorials, because you will receive written tutorials along with a video summary on making the cards. And in this, you always get some kind of candy because you have to have candy when you craft, right? This came with a little sanding block because we were doing a technique. Uh, came with daubers, package of embellishments. You receive some twine, and then this particular month we used different, more than just one designer series paper. Sometimes we just use one, but this one we used, here is a 6 by 12, but the others are 12 by 12. And then I have listed for you, for everyone, what is in here for them to use. So again, that was just showing you how I package up my Rustic Ink Creations Club, and it is a monthly subscription. You do need to sign up by midnight on the 15th of the month in order to get that month's club, and it is mailed out the last week of the month. So you can sign up for August. The deadline is, the last day is the 15th of August, and then it will ship out the last week of this month. So I hope that you'll give it a try. There is a link in the description where you can get all the details about my Rustic Ink Club. I'm Terry Hartley. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye for now.